Hi, my name is patent attorney Tran, and today in the heart of progress, where raw materials are transformed into engines of the industry, lies a world of innovation often unseen but always essential. This is the industrial products industry, where intellectual property is a silent partner in every invention. From the smallest bolt to the largest machines, each component is a testament to human ingenuity. But in this realm of creation, it's not just about making, it's about protecting. Protecting the ideas that drive the industry forward. Intellectual property rights are the bedrock of innovation in the industrial sector. Patents safeguard technical inventions, trademarks build brand identity, and copyrights protect original designs. Together, they form a shield against imitation and a foundation for commercial success. Industrial automation is a hotbed of innovation, with companies like Dion and Co. leading the charge with a wealth of patents. These patents are more than just documents. They're strategic assets that can define market leadership. Before a new process rolls out, a meticulous dance begins. Legal teams conduct freedom to operate analysis, ensuring that their innovations can enter the market unimpeded by others' patents. The industrial stage is no stranger to conflict. Patent infringement cases are fought with the ferocity of the machines they protect. It's here that the strength of a patent is tested and the mettle of companies is proven. As we forge the future, the industrial product industry stands as a pillar of progress. Intellectual property rights are the guardians of this realm, ensuring that today's innovations become the legacy of tomorrow's industry. Join the march of industry. Innovate with strength. Protect with diligence. The gears of progress are turning, and they're patented. We hope to see you in our future series for industrial equipment space.